Guys, we're already checked in, and these are the wonderful people of Amari Watergate Hotel in Bangkok, in Pratunam, in front of Platinum. So it's right here, guys. So punta na tayo sa room. So magkakaroon tayo. Yung content naman natin ngayon ay room reveal. Okay, so let's go, guys. Punta na tayo sa room. Ayan. So Austin has the key card. And room reveal. Let's see what we have here. So here's the hallway. And then there's the closet, guys. And there's the bed. And then there's the bathroom. And the shower's over there. And then, sino yan? Si Austin. So, ito yung kwarto, guys. I'll put my stuff here. Excited na ako, guys, mag-shopping. Inantay ko na lang yung luggage namin. And then, we're gonna go shopping. Let's see kung saang part itong binigay sa amin na view. Ah, okay. It's the same corner. So, ayan na si Austin, guys. So, Austin, how does it feel to be back? It's nice to be home. Nagpi-feeling, ako kasi sobrang dami na namin, guys, stay dito sa hotel na to. Talagang alam mo yung very comfortable na kami dito. So, like I said, if you guys ever come and visit sa Thailand, sa Bangkok actually, try niyo yung Amari Watergate. So, it's right here. Ayan. So guys, tingnan natin kung ano pang mga freebies dito. And what else do they have? They have the regular kettle there, coffee, and then all the chips, and dito refrigerator. So tingnan natin. I already put the water there, so ayan. And then we're gonna go ahead and go to the store and buy more drinks. And let's go to the bathroom. Let's see kung ano more freebies. Okay guys, so here are the freebies. They have a dental kit, vanity, shower cap, and all the other stuff. Ayan. Ayan. Itong room na to, ito yung upgraded nila. Tinanggal na nila yung tub. So it's just the shower now, which I prefer. Kasi mas better. Ayan. So basically, this is it. And then this one, I already took the chinela. So, andyan yung safe. Andyan yung safe, guys. And yung robe. And again, ayan si Austin. So that completes our room tour, guys. So yung bed, Austin, okay ba? Comfortable as always. Alam niyo guys, ang weird ko. Hindi naman ako weird kasi I'm sure may gumagawa nito. Alam niyo, I always bring like this little pillow sa States. Dinadala ko yan sa Philippines, and everywhere I travel, dadala ko yung pillow na yon. Hindi ako makatulog pag wala yun kasi yun yung niyayakap ko. I'm not sure kung ganun ba kayo. Kasi I know people na when they travel, may dalang kulambo. So anyways guys, thank you for watching our room tour. We're gonna go ahead and change. And then maghahanap kami ng something to eat. Okay, thank you again for watching. Bye guys! Austin, say bye to the friends. Hi guys! So eto na, the fun begins. And in front of Amari Hotel, which is this one, is the famous Platinum Fashion Mall. Masaya dyan guys, especially the 6th floor kasi dyan yung yung mga chibuk. Guys, tatawid na kami. Right there. There's the mall. Ayan. So hi guys, so tumawid na kami from the hotel. And this is what it looks like. Ayan. Right there. And there's Austin. Guys, ang init. Nakapayong ako. So, ayan guys, ang itsura ng kanilang mga yung mga vendors dito. Ayan. And that's our hotel right there, guys. Amari Watergate. Yan talagang favorite namin kasi talagang ang lapit-lapit sa lahat. Central World, Platinum, Big C, everything. It's very convenient. So like I said, if you guys are ever coming here, dyan kayo sa Platinum. So dyan yung entrance natin. So right now, dito kami nagpapapalit ng dollars. Okay dito guys, yung exchange rate nila. Okay, let's change money muna. Nagpapalit na ako and there's Austin. Excited na siya. And so we're entering Platinum Mall. And masaya talaga dito guys. There's a 7-Eleven. Oh yeah, I remember may 7-Eleven dyan. We could buy water there later. Ayan. So anyways guys, pasok tayo. Let's see what they have. Para makita nyo ang itsura. Para siyang upgraded or mas magandang version ng Green Hills. Ayan. Ayan. So guys, inside Platinum Mall, like I said, mukha siyang upgraded version ng Green Hills. So you can see everything here from dresses to bags to accessories and gamit. Kung ano-ano pa. The dresses look actually nice. Kaya hindi ko naman stylean kasi guys, I'm more into solids. Ito, ang cute oh. Ang cute naman yan. Like right now, I'm wearing like navy. Hi. It's really pretty. Yan. So, napapasin ko, marami ditong mga Filipino pumupunta. Namimili sila, siguro they own boutiques. So, ayan. Yan ang itsura guys ng Platinum Mall. And I think this goes up to the 7th floor. Alam nyo guys, masarap din yung mangoes nila dito. So anyways, just touring you guys kung anong itsura. Para just in case you guys come to Bangkok. Uy, Austin, ayun yung gusto mo oh. Yung parang inhaler na mayroon dahon-dahon. Gusto ni Austin bumili yan. Yung parang inhaler na may dahon-dahon. So, ayan, right there. Ayan, guys. Buti na lang hindi niyo ako nakikita ngayon kasi pinapawisan ako. Bongga yung pawis ko ngayon, guys. Ayan. So, what else? Ayan. Ito, guys. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. It goes up to there. And then, meron pa siya sa baba. And maganda talaga mag-shopping dito. Too bad, yung style nila, hindi ko style. Kasi like I said, hindi ako mahilig sa mga printed. All I wear are solid colors. Pero kung may tindahan ka or may mga kamag-anak ka na mahilig sa mga yung mga ganyang klaseng style, ang dami-dami talaga dito. Pati ayan, even like the bags, ang dami talagang variety. So like I said, this is like the upgraded version of Green Hills. I don't know if I could compare it to Green Hills kasi mas maganda dito. Ayan, no? At saka laki-laki niya, Austin, ano? At saka yung quality, ang gaganda, guys. Mga Dior. Si Austin, sabi niya, ayan naman yung mga Dior na dress. Ang daming Filipinos dito. Naririnig ko sila. Right there. Ang dami nating mga kababayan that comes here. And I can tell, may mga tindahan sila. Kasi they're like buying a lot of stuff. I think it's para ibenta. So, ayan guys. So, basically, I just wanted to show you kung ano yung itsura. So, ito ang Platinum Mall sa Pratunam. And I was right, it goes up to the 7th floor. The 6th floor kasi guys, yan yung that's where you eat. So guys, ito, ang cute-cute talaga ng ng store na to. Look at all the accessories. Ang ganda guys, oh. Yung mga bracelets, yung mga necklaces, yung mga abubot, yung mga trinkets. Ang cute, no? Kakaloka. Look at all that.